Hey guys, here are 5 clear signs that indicate that you have jumped into a brand new paradigm of life and living and expansion and vibration and consciousness and elevated your frequency to a brand new level. One of the first things people notice is that things that used to bother you no longer do. Those things just roll off your back, don't get under your skin, so to speak. The second is triggers. Things that used to trigger you start to not trigger you magically. So interesting. Number 3, toxic people, events, circumstances begin to just leave your life and are replaced with people who are soul aligned, who love you for you and support you. So the complainers, the negative Nancys, the people that try to make you doubt yourself, there's a mass exodus and they're replaced with what I call the company of saints. Number 4, life begins to take on a magical ease and flow where there used to be a lot of struggle or seeming obstacles, or it's like you just go to do something and you hit a wall. That clears. And it's like you get in the flow of life and there is this ease, there's this grace you begin to experience in your life. Not to say you never have problems. The solutions kind of just drop into your lap a lot easier. And you're comfortable being in your own skin enough to where if there is a seeming problem, challenge, struggle, you begin to start to give it space, give it some room to breathe. And in that letting go and giving it space, the solutions tend to drop in. Or things that appeared as problems just no longer feel like problems anymore. So interesting. And the last one is synchronicities become commonplace. It's your new reality where it's like, I expect miracles at this point. And I lovingly, jokingly, curiously sit back and watch this movie called Life, and things flow amazingly well. And let me tell you, that was not always the case for me. So if you're starting to experience these things, it's very likely you've kind of just quantum leaped into a brand new reality, brand new paradigm. Your vibration has elevated to the point where those things that used to drag you down can no longer reach you. And just know that these are just 5 small things. The list of signs of awakening is huge. Hang in there, keep at it, keep connecting, keep bringing in the light, keep praying, keep giving it over. The best is yet to come. The best is here, and something even better is always on its way.